Rest is not always a sign of laziness, and taking a break is the secret behind real productivity. You might have thought of productivity as being all about hustling, grinding, and working non-stop. Unfortunately, such a mindset will leave you feeling burned out, overwhelmed, and surprisingly unproductive. And it's not until you start prioritizing rest that you will start seeing results, not just in your work, but in your overall well-being. Today, I'm going to show you how incorporating proper rest can dramatically improve your productivity and how to do so in 5 minutes or less. Think about how often you have heard people brag about pulling all-nighters or working long hours during the week. It's almost as if exhaustion is being normalized and worn as a badge of honor. But here's the thing, overworking without breaks isn't doing your productivity any favors. It's actually sabotaging it. On the flip side, proper rest, underrated as it is, can boost your productivity up to tenfold. Proper rest doesn't just mean getting 8 hours of sleep. It's about taking intentional breaks throughout your day, unplugging mentally, and allowing your brain to recharge. And let me tell you why that's crucial. When we rest, we engage our brain's default mode network, which is essential for processing information, creativity, and problem solving. Studies show that taking short breaks can boost cognitive function, improve concentration, and help us avoid decision fatigue. According to research from the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, those who take breaks regularly tend to perform better, stay focused longer, and experience less mental burnout. So how can you maximize the benefits of rest? It's not just about taking a break, it's about how you rest that matters. Here are a few practical steps to help you make the most out of your downtime. 1. Schedule regular breaks. Use the Pomodoro Technique, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This not only keeps your brain fresh, but also maintains your productivity throughout the day. 2. Engage in mindful activities. During your breaks, focus on activities that help recharge your brain. Go for a walk, stretch, do some deep breathing exercises, or practice mindfulness meditation. These activities lower stress levels and improve mental clarity. 3. Disconnect from screens. Our brains are constantly bombarded by information, especially from screens. So, during your rest periods, try to disconnect. Read a book, listen to calming music, or spend time in nature, anything that allows your brain to relax. 4. Prioritize quality sleep. Rest doesn't end with short breaks. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. That means sticking to a regular sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, and minimizing blue light exposure before bed. By doing these things, you're not only allowing your brain to reset, but also optimizing your mental and physical health, which leads to better performance. To help you get started on your rest journey, I've created a free Rest Recharge productivity checklist that outlines the exact steps and activities you can incorporate into your daily routine. This checklist includes everything from the best times to take breaks, recommended rest activities, and even sleep optimization tips. It's time to rest smart and work smarter. Grab the checklist and start making rest a non-negotiable part of your productivity strategy. You can download it right now by clicking the link in the description and pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who could use some rest. See you in the next one.